welcome back. Ever wondered how to make this incredible paper accordion dragon or a Chinese paper dragon? I promise you, it's easier than it looks. All you need is just some paper and this step-by-step tutorial. But first, let's add some tiny pom-poms on the nose, here and here. So now let's try to push and pull and see how it moves around like a real dragon. Or you also can put a string on it and hang it just like this. So if you like this craft, please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So let's get creative, shall we?
First, let's draw the face of the dragon, or you may also download the template from the description below. We can now add some colors to the dragon's head. Stick a colored paper at the back of the picture and cut them together. Take another piece of a colored paper to make the dragon's tail. You may also download the template from the description below. Make a slit of 1.5 centimeters in the center. Grab around 12 pieces of colored paper. Fold each paper into 3 equal parts as shown and fold it into half. This makes 6 squares per paper. Then cut the folded paper in half. Now draw a circle on the square. This is about 10 centimeters in diameter. Then cut out all the circles. Take 2 to 3 pieces of circles, stack them together, and fold it into half. Then fold it into 3 parts. Then repeat the same thing on the other half. Open it up to see the zigzag folds. Do the same folds for all the remaining circles. Here's a template with numbers to easily stick the circles together. Each circle has 5 lines, so we'll start with number 2 and number 4. Apply glue on the second and fourth line. Take a circle and stick the matching fold together. For the next layer, add glue to the folds of number 1, 3, and 5, and fill the sides with glue. It should look like this when you stick them together. Now we go back to number 2 and number 4, stick another circle on it. Then apply glue on number 1, 3, and 5 lines. stick the circle with the matching folds. Continue to stick the circles alternately until you completed the whole stack. I suggest to check and stretch the stack as you go along to make sure that the folds are all aligned and not stuck together. To stick the dragon's head, apply glue on the sides and attach it to the body. Make sure that the diamond-shaped scales are on the side of the body and the top are just the lines. Then stick the tail on the opposite side. To hold the dragon, take 2 pieces of chopsticks or skewer sticks. Put double-sided tape on each stick and attach it inside the head and the tail. Make sure that the sticks are properly attached. If you want to hang the dragon, take a string and tie a knot on each end of it. Put double-sided tape or a strong glue and attach it inside the head and tail.
And there you have it, your very own Chinese paper dragon. I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!